Welcome back to our 11 Labs workshop lesson 19. We are now going to get our document and we're going to click on this drag and drop area to upload the document. What we're then going to do is click Create. What you'll see is that 11 Labs will then create the project for you. The next part of the process is to divide the content into chapters. So we're going to cut out one part, we're going to create a new chapter. To add the chapter, we're going to click on the top of the element, we're going to paste in our content, we'll hit Control Home to go back to the top, we'll then get all of the other information and we'll move it to the next section. And our document has now been successfully laid into sections for the AI to narrate. In the next final lesson, we will explore finishing the process of creating our audiobook in more detail. Thanks for watching. Head on over to incommonhumans.com for more free masterclasses.